You like that stance? Hey, look how he painted his brakes right here. This car, this Chrysler. See the brakes detail on the brakes? No, on the brakes. Look on the wheel, inside the wheel. No, on this one. Right, it's tight on. This motherfucker so clean right here, man.